Do a short customer states. When I started. Yep, I would say that's really loud. Sounds to me someone stole your cat. So let's pull this into the shop and have a look underneath. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like a race car. Let's get it up on the lift. We got her up in the air. We can see we're missing a section of pipe right here. You cut the saw. This is the O2 sensor. Just cut. I don't think that was cut. I think that was pulled off. Usually you can tell the difference between wires if they're cut or just pulled. So this looks like it was just pulled. See, the ends aren't very clean, as if it were cut. Pretty. Gonna need some pipes and your cat and everything. You're gonna have to replace this pipe because they cut off where it bolts together. We're gonna have to replace this pipe because it bolts down here. Right here. So it could be this whole piece, that piece, the cat, and then an O2 sensor. And then we'll take a listen to it. But it's gotta go through insurance, so